Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on Revolut. Once you're inside Revolut, guys, just simply click the payment option at the bottom there, and from here click the plus on the uppermost right hand side. From here you have two options. You can choose the bank recipient. If you tap on that, you want to go ahead and fill in the details here of the bank, and you can go ahead and add the recipient, or you can even tap on the business section as well and fill in the details and add it, and you want to proceed by choosing that option to withdraw the money. That's going to send the money to your bank account once you add the recipient and then choose how much you want to send. No, the other way is by choosing the card recipient, and that's very much an easy and fast way as well. All you have to do is simply tap on the card recipient. You want to choose your card, so you can go ahead and you can just ensure that you enter the card number for the account that you want to transfer that money. And you can also do it if it's someone else. For example, you can choose someone else, but in this case you want to withdraw money to your bank account. You can also go ahead and tap on that and fill in the details. Ensure that you fill in the details correctly, add yourself as a recipient, and then choose how much you want to send, and basically send money to your Revolut, to that current account that you want to withdraw the money to. And that's it. Another way how to withdraw money, guys, is if you have the Revolut card added into your wallet. So let's say you have the physical card here. Let me go ahead and I show you how you can find that. So on the home, if you scroll down and you have a particular card here added here, so you can even choose to get card, choose a virtual card or a one-time single use card. You can get a virtual card for free by requesting it. Once you get the virtual card or the single use card, you can go ahead and add that card to your wallet. So once you create the card, it's gonna ask you immediately if you'd like to add that card to your wallet, and you can just simply go ahead and add it using GPay right there. Right, so you will go ahead and you will add that card to your wallet, and you will be able to go to any ATM, go ahead and use that card through GPay to skip at the ATM to basically withdraw money from an ATM machine. Or as I said, you can use this process by simple adding the money to a particular card and use that card to transfer money or to withdraw money at an ATM that you wish. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.